Today we are hosting car meets in Prodigy Drift. Okay, hello everyone. Today we are hosting up. Where did the GTR go? Where is it? I swear there was a car parked here earlier. Where did it go? Hey, alright lot, come here. So yes, we're just practically hosting car meets right now in Prodigy Drift. Now, okay, looks like this car meet is coming along. Yes, now come back. That's where that car belongs. A lot.
Every time I hear you, my brain gets.
Well, number one actually was crapping that post because they were telling which is the best, and then number one was just every kind of Italian rain run, so that's why I had to say number one is just crap and the rest of the memes are perfect. Legends. Yes, we needed a Supra anyways. Or I guess a Nissan, maybe Nissan only, that would be beautiful. Beautiful. Please, another 180 SX. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Oh no! The car meet is starting to fade away. No! Oh yeah, park it, park it, park it, park it. Oh, it's night, it's night, it's night. Get them pop-up running, boy. She is a beauty. Could have. I kinda do want to change the location to there. Oh no, I'm getting a call on the iPhone.
Hello? Ajunan, namaste.
Okay, since the car meet is about to be over, I just gotta end this. Bye. Bye everyone.